Hello students, today we will start our new chapter, chapter 22, Patola. In this chapter we will learn about Patola. So let's start our chapter. Chapter 22, Patola. Here Patola is famous in Patan. So Moksha and Nirmal with their parents Kokilaben and father Ashok Bhai live in a Salviwada of Patan. Their home is always filled with bundle of bright colored silk threads, and the weaving that they do is very beautiful and special. So in Ashok Bhai's family, everyone are weavers. From many centuries, Salvi families are living in the Salviwada. The special weaving work done by them is known as Patola. Nowadays here, Patola House has established to inform Indian people and people from all over the world about their special weaving work. The craftsmen who made Rani Ki Vav in Patan, they also had used this design of Patola in their stonework. So this is Rani Ki Vav. So the craftsmen who made Rani Ki Vav in Patan, they also had used this design of Patola in their stonework. The poets of Gujarat have also discussed about this craft in their folk songs like Chela Jire Mari Haru Patanthi Patola Monga Lavjo. The threads which are used to weave patola is made from mulberry silk, which is white. Father brings this silk thread from outside. The threads are opened and made into a grid. After that, design is made on that, which is called bandhni work. The part of which has to be dyed is kept open, and according to measurement, it is dyed and tied up again. So this is hard and time consuming work. When grid is designed and finished dyeing, after that it is put up on the handloom for weaving. Hence, after the handwork of 4 to 6 months, beautiful and colorful patola is prepared. Here we can see they are preparing patola. The grid is fast color, so there is no chance of washing out the color of patola. Durability and color of patola remain the same for many years. That is why it is a saying in Gujarati that padi patole bhat fate pan fite nahi. But handicraft is in danger. In the preparation of patola, care and patience are required for the skill of weaving, designing and dyeing. It is a hard work of many days. Mulberry silk and colors are very costly. So, patola are sold at very high cost. Earlier, there are 700 families connected with this handicraft. But now, only 3 families are trying to keep this handicraft alive. Many people have left this occupation. Patola handicraft is not only the pride of Patan, but it is the dignity and pride of Gujarat and India. And now it is going to be vanished. For that we have to give good price of patola and help them. Otherwise this precious art will be vanished. So in this video we discussed about the famous patola sari of Patan. Thank you.